Today we're going to be unboxing an E8 wireless pair of earbuds. I got the black versions. As you can see, let's go and open this. So you have a 3 months warranty. So this is what they look like. Power button. You have a micro USB on the bottom. Here is the hinge. Pretty nice. They have right and left on the earbuds themselves. Get the charging cable and small and large silicone tips, micro USB charging cable. Here's your manual. So here are the earbuds. They look really nice. As you can see, you have left and right indications, so you will not be able to put them in wrong. As you can see, so this one is the left, so it goes right here. This is the right, goes right there. To pair them, all you have to do is get out your phone, go on Bluetooth, open up the earbuds, take them out, turn on the earbuds to hear a chime, and then it will pop up right here. Go ahead and click that, and they're connected, as you can see right there. You can play and pause by tapping the left or right earbud once. Click left earbud twice to increase. Triple click left earbud to decrease volume. Double click right earbud to skip. Triple click earbud to previous track. These wireless earbuds have Bluetooth 5.0 technology for fast pairing, binaural call for dual calling to make the phone call much clearer. The battery life on these earbuds can last 3 to 4 hours on a single charge. The charging case can charge up the earbuds 3 to 4 times. This charging case has a 650 milliamp capacity. The Bluetooth range on these earbuds are 33 feet. The charging case has a micro USB charging port. The earbuds take about 1.5 hours to charge fully. The earbuds themselves has a 60 milliamp capacity. These are lightweight and very portable thanks to their ergonomic design and secure fit. The charging case itself is made out of polycarbonate design, and on the top it's made out of plastic see-through. Very nice. Alright, now that that's out of the way, as you can see, we're going to do a comparison of other earbuds. Right here we have Ocasium, Boiros, Awe, and Mozart. So the size comparison are pretty average on most earbuds. They are a decent size, so that's going to be very helpful. Call quality and the sound on these are really good for especially the price. For 20 bucks, you have pretty clear quality. The bass is decent, has no noise cancellation, but I guess if you put it at a really high level, then you'll be able to barely hear your surroundings. But they don't have a CVC 8 noise cancellation or a CVC 7, or, you know, it doesn't have active noise cancellation like these. It doesn't have noise cancellation in general. So it's basically like these. These ones are $30. They have magnetic hinge, so they're $10. Not a magnetic hinge. They have just a button press. So these are $30, 30 or 40. So about $10 to $20 more, and you get like instant pairing by taking them out the earbud case. This one, 20 bucks. Mainly, it's on the portability, the sound, and the battery life. That's what they mainly focused on. They didn't really focus on noise cancellation, waterproof, all the other main features that you can get out of premium products. So that's another thing. And they also don't have Type-C. So some of these earbuds do have micro USB. So if you don't like micro USB, I don't recommend you get these. But if you don't mind, then go for it. As you can see, these ones have micro USB, but they have an exception because this one actually has wireless charging built in. So that's amazing. These ones have Type-C. They have an LED indicator. They have automatic pairing when you open them. They have indicator lights. So this one isn't amazing out of all of these, but these ones are 50. So they're about double the price. So no matter what, whichever you're going to be picking, these ones are a pretty good bet for 20 bucks. Basically, if you just want earbuds that are good and cheap, definitely go with these ones. But if you want more features, go with this one. Thank you guys for watching. Like, comment, of course, subscribe for more videos just like this, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you for watching.